Okay, this is the house. Just talked to the lady who's wanting to get out from under this. She's got her trailer. This looks like the best house of the four. Ooh, that could be a nice carving. Get an artist out here. But this doesn't look as bad as that one across the street. But she said that she was the one you talked to, I believe. Oh, okay. And here's the apartment. Back here, I don't know what the inside looks like, but the outside looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm not sure. Oh, this is her garage too. Okay, so she got a double car garage. Yeah. That fence looks untouched. See if I can go over there to take a look at the background. Okay, well, it's not going to be a $25,000 house. This looks pretty good. Okay, there's a pole and everything. It's damaged back here, but I don't think it's that bad. Mostly clean up. I don't know what's in the inside though. Looks like might be a water line up there. Man, this must have got deep. Well, that house is messed up, but looks like a pretty good lot all the way from here to there. Okay, I'll send it to you.